flesh and flame, ancient beast without a name. Through the storm I find my breath. Uruz roars in life and death. Uruz, strength of earth and tide, run with the wild, no fear inside. Break the chains, let spirit mend. Power begins where limits end. Where limits end.
Blood remembers, earth commands. Shape is born from unseen hands. In the fall, the will is tried. Only the broken learn to rise.
Uruz, strength of earth and tide, run with the wild, no fear inside. Break the chains, let spirit mend. Power begins where limits end. Limits end. Through pain we grow, through loss we find the fire that forges heart and mind. No weapon stronger, no voice more true. The force of life itself is you. Pulse of the wild ground, echo of power, the ancient sound. We bleed, we breathe, we stand again. The beast within.